Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk about getting more power out of your low torque impact device. A while back I got this DeWalt, and this is the 885, the DCF 885 impact driver. So not an impact wrench, impact driver. I got this thing and it was rated at 117 foot-pounds of torque. So I figured this would easily work trying to take off lug nuts. For example, on my BMW, it's between 70 and 90, or 70 and 80 foot-pounds. That's usually what I put on torque on the wheels. To my chagrin, I charged up the 1.5 amp hour battery. I put it on the lug nuts, turned it, and it didn't even come close to getting off any of the lug nuts. So I was just really disappointed, and I thought, man, what do I even use this thing for now? And I can use it to drive screws, and it has a really good chuck. You can use it to drive heavy screws and stuff, and it's a good tool. So I just kept it, and I didn't get rid of it, didn't sell it. And so time went by, and I got a DeWalt blower, okay? And the blower came with a big 5 amp hour battery. And so after using the blower for a while, I love it, great blower, I thought, why don't I see what happens if I put this battery on, in other words, get rid of the 1.5 amp hour, get on the 5 amp hour battery, and see what that does. I put it right on the BMW. Probably, 80 foot-pounds of pressure was on there on the lug nuts, and it spun them off like you wouldn't believe. I couldn't believe it. So now this is one of my main tools for spinning off lug nuts and other work, and it's so small too. You can get into places you can't get into with a larger impact wrench. So basically, I'm using an impact driver as an impact wrench, and it works great. And the big difference was getting a much bigger 5 amp hour battery. I have no idea, in terms of scientifically why that happens. You wouldn't think it would, because it's providing 20 volts. So what would it matter, right? But in the real world, it's a huge difference. So anyway, my point today is if you have a lower impact device like an impact driver, and you want to see if you can get more torque out of it, try a much larger battery. I wouldn't run out and buy a big battery because they're very expensive. But if you're getting a big battery for some other use like a blower, or if you can just borrow a buddy's, and just say, hey, can I use yours, and see what it does? Go ahead and use a bigger amp hour battery and see if that makes a difference. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Look forward to talking to you in the next video.